Hello friends, welcome to Code Developer channel. So we will learn one more bit manipulation algorithm in this video. So problem is this that we have to reverse the bits of a number. Okay, so let's say we are given n as 253. Its binary representation is I would say 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. Um, okay, this is its binary representation. Now we have to reverse, let's say, this bits of this 253. Okay, how we can do it? So here what I'm doing, I'm considering this as an 8-bit number. Okay, so I'm looping from 0 to 7. Okay, and for each uh, n- uh, basically each index from 0 to 7, what I'm doing, I am left shifting 1 um, by 0 and ending it with n original number. So basically what I'm doing, I'm getting the bits of the original number n one by one from LSB. Okay, then I'm checking if that bit is 1. That means that if this bit is 1, I have to set this bit. Since we have to reverse these bits, if this bit LSB bit is 1, I have to set the MSB of the result to 1. Okay, so that is what I'm doing here. So if this bit is 1, what I'm doing, I'm shifting 1 by 7 positions here. Okay, for this particular number, and ORing that bit with the result. So basically I am setting the seventh bit of the result to 1 because I got LSB as 1. Okay, likewise I'm looping from 0 to 7, that means 8 bits, and for each bit I'm checking if the bit is set, then I'm setting the particular bit starting from the MSB. Okay, so first eighth bit will be set, then seventh, then sixth, then fifth, then fourth, likewise. Okay, and at that I'm printing binary representation of the result as well as the binary representation of the original number. So let's run this. So if I run this, you can see that this was the original uh, bit representation of 253, and this is its reverse bits representation for the number 253. Okay, I hope you like this problem. Please let me know in comments. Thank you.